Now I discuss the diameter of the skull. At first I discuss the transverse diameter. In transverse diameter there are mainly 4 types of diameter, that are the biparietal diameter, super subparietal diameter, bitemporal diameters and the bimastoid diameter. And biparietal diameter length is 9.5 cm and super subparietal diameter length is 8.5 cm and biparietal diameter that is 8 cm and bimastoid diameter that is 7.5 cm. At first, biparietal diameter. This is the fetal skull diagrams and this is the biparietal diameters. So, the biparietal diameters is the distance between the two parietal eminence. This is the parietal eminence and the biparietal diameter is the distance between two parietal eminence and this distance is the 9.5 cm. Next, super subparietal diameter. This is the super subparietal diameters and it is the distance between the point below on eminence. It is the parietal eminence and it is the point below the parietal eminence and point above the parietal eminence. This is the parietal eminence and this is point above the parietal eminence. So, the super subparietal diameter distance between the point below on eminence to the points above on the eminence and this distance is the 8.5 cm. So, the biparietal diameter is 9.5 cm. It is distance between the parietal eminence and super subparietal diameter is 8.5 cm. It is distance between the point below on eminence and point above on parietal eminence and this distance is 8.5 cm. Next, bitemporal diameter and the bitemporal diameter distance between two farthest point of the coronal suture. This is the coronal suture and this is the farthest point of the coronal sutures and this called the bitemporal diameter. Bitemporal diameter is 8 cm. So, this is the fetal skull. First, the biparietal diameter. I already told the biparietal diameter is distance between the parietal eminence. This is the parietal eminence and distance between the parietal eminence called the biparietal diameter. It is 9.5 cm. Next, super subparietal diameter. Super subparietal diameter is distance between on point below the eminence and on point above the eminence. This is the super subparietal diameter and the diameter is 8.5 cm. Next, the bitemporal diameters and bitemporal diameters is the distance between the farthest point of the coronal sutures. The farthest point of the coronal sutures. This is the coronal sutures and this is the bitemporal diameter and this is the 8 cm. There is also present another diameter that are the bimastoid diameter and this is the distance between the tip of both mastoid process. Here is the mastoid process and distance between the tip of both mastoid process, that is called the bimastoid diameters and this bimastoid diameter is 7.5 cm.